Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the ultimate solution for beating the summer heat, the Whynter Portable Air Conditioner. Let's dive in and see how this powerful AC can keep your space cool. As temperatures rise, finding an effective way to stay cool becomes a top priority. Traditional fans and open windows just don't cut it. That's where the Whynter Portable Air Conditioner comes in. Designed to cool rooms up to 500 square feet, it's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, and home offices. So, what makes the Whynter Portable Air Conditioner stand out? First, it packs a powerful 14,000 BTU with a dual hose system for efficient cooling. It's also a dehumidifier and cooling fan, providing versatile comfort. Plus, it's super easy to set up with the included window kit, ensuring you can start cooling your space right away. One of the best features is its portability. You can easily move it from room to room, making it ideal for any part of your home. Whether you need to cool down after a workout, during a work-from-home session, or while you sleep, the Whynter Portable Air Conditioner has got you covered. In summary, the Whynter Portable Air Conditioner is your go-to solution for staying cool and comfortable this summer. With its powerful cooling, dehumidifying functions and easy setup, you can beat the heat with ease. Thanks for watching. Click the link in my bio and message me, Damien Knockum, for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home comfort tips. Stay cool, everyone.